Happy birthday to the Kyrgyz Republic.
The U.S. Coke Brew team would like to wish this beautiful country and hospitable people happiness, prosperity, and success.
We are really proud and excited to represent the United States at the 3rd World Nomad Games.
So we'll see you here in Issyk Kul, September 2nd through the 8th.
Chon the Rock Mock!